Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are doing well. My name is Hoàng Linh. I'm very happy to be here with all of you and make this video for you. And I hope that my video will make you fly better in the future and make the world better in the future. So let's get started with my presentation. Currently, environmental pollution and climate change are taking place worldwide in general, and Vietnam in recent years have also been increasingly expressed through unusual manifestation of temperature, rainfall, sea level rise, and extreme weather. The developments of climate change in our country in recent years have led to the multitude of extreme and unpredictable phenomena. So, I will give you a tour about what happened with our climate, the reason for it, and how should humans take actions. When the Earth's temperature shows no signs of decrease, sea level continues to rise. Instead of watching the coral in an aquarium, we will have to see the underwater cities. The Intergovernmental Commission on Climate Change of the United States Nations once reported out of 10 cities in the world with the highest risk of being submerged under sea level, there were 4 names located in Southeast Asia. Our Ho Chi Minh ranked third in this list. This is something that we don't dare to think about. One day, every inch of the homeland is engulfed in the sea of water. Even the beaches, our ideal tourist destination every summer, accordingly disappear. Climate change causes water circulation to occur faster. The high temperature increases the evaporation, leading to the growth of rain. Moreover, the speed of evaporation and amount of rain are not the same in all areas. Some areas may suffer from greater rainfall than usual, while other areas may have to go through drought. The average annual rain of the country tends to climb slightly. In particular, the most grow in the winter and spring months, decline in the fall months. Vietnam is a country with coastline of 3,000 kilometers. A sea level rise has significant impact on Vietnam. For example, the water level at Cô Tô and Hòn Ngự Station tends to decline at a corresponding speed of 6 and 1.5 millimeter a year respectively. If calculated in period 1993 to 2014, the average sea level at Hai Van Station tends to increase with an average increase of about 3 millimeter a year. Okay, and before going to the measure, we will like to send you a famous and long-standing river with our locality. But in recent years, the Flow River has had rising water level, darker water color, and especially the death of water shark. Thus, it has reflected the wrong case of human murder for nature. So now let us learn how to minimize and adapt to it. Okay, for first, limit the use of fossil and shirt for replacement energy sources. Feel like coal oil is a sort of very large greenhouse effect. Humans have been looking for environmentally friendly energy sources such as wind, sun, tide, and so on. Preventing deforestation, actively planting and tending forests is an indispensable element for the war against climate change. It is noted that deforestation is cause of 20% of CO2 emissions per year. The third, disseminate information, raise awareness about climate change, like cause, impacts, and emergency response solution, and so on for vulnerable communities. The third, research and apply scientific achievement and products to climate change in reality. The fourth, convert to production and living model and suitable for new climatic, land, and ecological conditions. Use high-end salinity plants, short-term breed to avoid floods. Build models of how to avoid floods, participate in agricultural and fishery production, insurance before air chain disaster on gas chains. Okay, this is the end of my video. So thank you to listening and watching that. So I hope that my video will make you next think that necessary for you and make your future and the world more better day by day. So thank you for listening. Goodbye.